I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your Vivo and opening settings. This gets you straight into system controls. Next, find Google or Apps, then Default Apps and Assist and Voice Input. This is where Assistant controls live. Make sure your phone has Wi-Fi or mobile data and your passcode ready, because some options require verification. Once you reach Assist settings, you're positioned to change which app responds to voice commands. Follow each tap slowly to avoid changing unrelated defaults. Now tap Assist app and choose None or your phone app to remove Google Assistant as the default. This stops automatic Assistant activation. Once done, open Voice Match and toggle off Hey Google detection so hot word activation is disabled. Make sure both while locked and unlocked options are off if shown. If you want extra assurance, go to App Permissions, find Microphone Permissions for Google, and revoke it. This prevents audio triggers and limits assistant behavior across the device. Finish by rebooting your Vivo to ensure all changes take effect. Restarting clears background processes that could re-enable voice features. After reboot, test by saying Hey Google and long pressing the home or gesture area to confirm nothing responds. If Google Assistant still appears, clear the Google app cache and storage or update the Google app from Play Store, then repeat disabling steps. One key troubleshooting tip: if voice wakes still occur, check third-party launcher or accessibility apps that may reassign the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.